good morning. Welcome to Vlogmas day 17. I am up, just fixed Solomon some cereal. Now I'm fixing Jamarie's breakfast bottle because he is patiently waiting on his little mat. And yeah, y'all, welcome to the vlog. Real quick outfit check, just a plain white tee, some black leggings. I got on the Cookies windbreaker and my Air Max. So yeah, y'all, let go. Hey y'all, so we're on our way headed out. We are about to go to the feed store to get to get some hay for the dogs, and then we're gonna go to Dick's Sporting Goods to find me a Nike hoodie because I want one. So yeah, y'all. So we just making it to the feed store. Child, it's been a minute since we had to come and get hay and stuff for the dogs. So child, Josh was like trying to figure out where it is, and I just threw out, you know, a name, and it so happened to be the name of the feed store. So anyway, we're here. He just went inside to go pay for the hay. We're gonna usually whenever it gets cold, he'll get like a bunch of hay and put it in the dog's closet that they are in outside, so that, you know, it can be insulated and they won't be freezing cold. Because child, I think it's about 40 something out here today. I can't believe it. This is crazy. I think just the other day I had on some capris. Like, what? 48. It is 48 in Houston right now. And then next Friday, it's gonna drop down to 23 degrees, y'all. Like, this is crazy. So now, yeah, it's officially cold in Houston. Anyway, we about to get this hay, and then we're gonna go to the Dick's Sporting Goods because I want to try to find me a black Nike hoodie, and if I could find me some leggings, I want some leggings too. So yeah, y'all, and then I'm hungry. Like, I haven't ate breakfast. I fixed Solomon some cereal. He ate. He's currently in the back asleep, knocked out, bundled up, and Jamarie also is asleep and he's bundled up. So that's pretty much all we really got going on for today, y'all, because yeah, it's cold and we just chilling.
It cools the fire that burns in me, and I simply lose control. So just rain down on me, let your love just fall like rain, just rain on me. Just rain down on me, let your love just shower me, just rain on me. Full as a dam at capacity.
I already know what I want. The tamale plate. Saya, we gotta figure out what you want to eat.
Oh yeah.
Do you want chicken nuggets, crispy taco, quesadilla? You got macaroni and cheese or cheese enchiladas?
Macaroni and cheese.
Okay.
How about God? Right.
And that's what you do when you're praying?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You think about God? Well, I was thinking about God taking care of our baby.
Hey y'all, we are just pulling up to the vitamin shop. Joshua's about to run in. He wanted to get some essential oils. We just got done eating at Jimmy Changas, I think it's called. It's like a Tex-Mex restaurant. It's the sister restaurant of Gringo's. Y'all, bussin'. Everything. Bussin'. I think you good. I'm about. Okay. Well, you gonna put Mario in his seat? I mean, or you just gonna grab him? You could just grab him out of there. What else was I say? Well, since he wanted me to go into the vitamin shop with him, I was gonna look up the tickets. He wants to go. Well, we're gonna go. Well, I can go in to see what they have. We're gonna see. We want to go see Avatar, the new Avatar. So I'm going to order the purchase the tickets online because we're trying to get one more and that's it. No more candy. We're gonna try to go see the 2:15 movie. So we're about to head inside the vitamin shop. Oh, and Avatar is 3 hours long, y'all. I don't know who they showing in this movie, child, but 3 hours? That is insane. So, child, yeah, I'm gonna try to get the video up. Well, more than likely it ain't gonna be up by 6 o'clock. It'll probably be up more so 8ish. It's gonna be a late upload, but I'm gonna push it out to y'all either way. But we about to head inside. So we're just making it back from the movies, y'all. I really enjoyed the movie. Josh dozed off a little bit, but he enjoyed the movie as well. Seeing it in 3D makes it so much better, y'all. We enjoyed our Saturday, had a good time spending time with the fam, and Solomon enjoyed his weekend. Well, you know, we got tomorrow, but he enjoyed his weekend. So yeah, y'all, I think I'm gonna end the video off here. If you haven't already, please consider hitting that subscribe button before you leave. And if you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up. It will help me out a lot. And as always, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.